efficiently, this offense, 2nd and 6 as opposed to 2nd and 12.
Looking for the long ball in Odell Beckham Jr. and he's got it inside the 10-yard line.
Right here, Odell Beckham Jr. gets a clean release. They're playing Carlton Davis, the rookie. They have a high-low coverage. Eli Manning places a ball perfectly. You talk to Duffner, they want to reroute wide receivers can dial in.
Wide open. And that is a touchdown for Saquon Barkley, and what a drive for the Giants.
You're going to get a lot of in here. This is a lot of picking and screening, and you're going to get Barkley wide open because there's a miscommunication again, which happens a lot with youth. Remember, Quan Alexander, Levante David, guys that are used to passing that coverage off are out of the ball game, and that's a great call by Pat Shermer.